Good morning and welcome to RV Hitched and Rolling. I am Daryl. Right now we're at the Colonies RV and Travel Park, which is in Fort Monroe, hidden in Hampton, Virginia. All right, so we're gonna go out and take a little walk and see what we have to see. This place really does not have a lot, but what it does have is a nice, tranquil, quiet area to be in. It's got a few RV campsites here, and I know there's some tent camping, but I have not seen anyone out tent camping right now. But it's nice, it's quiet, it's close to Norfolk, and if you want to go out and have shopping, there is stuff to shop, but we just wanted to go here because it's really nice and quiet. All right. I'm going to pause right now, and once we get out and moving, we'll resume. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, so we're back. So here's one of the little walking trails up here by Fort Monroe. And as you can see, right now we got some rough waters out there. But we're going to take a small walk down here and just, get that morning blood going. But anyway, if we turn around and look the other way, you can see there's a little beach right over there. All right, it's a little too cool for us right now, so we're not going to do the beach. We're just going to take a little walk, and afterwards, we'll show you what else we have out here in Fort Monroe. All right, thank you. Oh, hold on. So my wife said she wants me to show you everything out here. Again, you can see it's a pretty nice, quiet area. So, once again, if you're looking for someplace quiet, this is a nice place to go. You can also see, if you can see over there in the background, they have a few pavilions, and they're usable by campers anytime you're out here. So, come on out and enjoy. Okay, so here's another little walk path that you can go on. This one is a little further away from the water, but again, there's nice little places to walk to, so you can get that blood going when you want to. All right, and for those who may want to park an RV here, like the storage, they have some storage areas right over there. So you can store your RV here if you wanted to. From what I've heard, there are people who bring their stuff down here and store it, and then just come back in the spring and summertime. Okay, everyone, so this is our last little stop on our video of Fort Monroe. This actually is the actual fort here in Fort Monroe. All right, so this fort's been standing since the colonial days, and I was told, I haven't researched it myself, but I was told it was actually used in the Civil War. So again, here's Fort Monroe. This is the actual, I guess, battery where they kept weapons and stuff at. So this is our last little thing here, and again, enjoy. And if you come out, just take the walks. You'll enjoy it. And we'll see you on our next adventure. Thank you, everyone. All right. Before I actually leave, I did forget to show you the other part of Fort Monroe. So here's the other building. The other building, like I said earlier, that was the battery. That's where they kept all the weapons cache. But here is the rest of it. This is where the soldiers would have actually lived, slept, ate, and carried on their daily lives. All right, I'm gonna pause again. Thank you. All right, see right up here? This actually gives a little history of the place. So it says that this was the Harbor Defense Regimental distinctive insignia. And this place was a gun battery from 1892 to 1946. All right, sorry it got a little dark right there, but that's what we have. Okay, so that's it for our tour of the Colonies RV and Travel Park here in Fort Monroe, hidden in Hampton, Virginia. If you want to make reservations to come here, the phone number is 757-722-2200. And again, happy trails. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, enjoy yourselves, and we'll see you on our next adventure.